Hi friends, Siddharth again. This is in continuation with my last video, which I apologize that I had abruptly deleted that video and also my post on Facebook. Friends, that was really a stressful condition. I have to concentrate on my job, not on this extra stuff. However, friends, after that event, I have learned a lot of lessons and I want you also to please learn from my mistakes. Further, friends, I want to stop this topic now. So please post your comments only on YouTube, not on Facebook. So friends, the bottom line is you cannot stop such sick people striking you anytime. They can strike you in mall, they can strike you in railway station, they can strike you in bus. The only thing that you can do is, friends, pray to God. Only God can save you from these people. Now, we must not forget that God also helps those only who helps themselves. So here are my some lessons which I learned, and I request you to share these lessons with your dear and near ones. The basic and the foremost thing is always carry receipts. If you have purchased anything from any other market or any other shop, please carry the receipt with you all the times. Now this is a preventive measure, friends, but this is an open-ended option, friends. I always used to carry some dry fruits or chocolates in my bag. How should I carry the bills also? Second point, many people suggested me that you better show your bag before entering the supermarket. But friends, this is not a possible option. There are only 3 people who are working and they are not openly available to ask them or to contact them. They are deep inside the supermarket. So how do I go inside and contact them and tell them that this is what I have brought with me? And friends, believe me, they are not always available. I should keep my baggage outside the store. Is that safe? I want to ask, friend, is that a safe option? Who takes care of my bag then? What about my company laptop or my company mobile that I always keep in my bag? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Always keep somebody with you who you can contact and in the case of emergencies. So friends, if you are staying alone, always keep at least somebody to call in case of distress. Another lesson learned, always keep your iCard, your ausweis, like maybe your blue card or maybe your company iCard or something which proves your identity. Because without your iCard, you really lose your ground. You cannot even fight with anybody if you don't have your iCard in your pocket. Friends, did you ever bothered about these 2 words, Rechtsversicherung and Missbrauchszentrale? Please Google them, friends. They are very important. Although I have no information about it, but many of my legal advisors talked about these words and probably we must know these things. Consider going for some liability insurance or for some legal insurance. Now friends, frankly telling, I never even thought about this stuff, but after this incident, I understood that that's really an important thing. Just to throw some light upon it, liability insurance is like a third-party insurance which we do in our home country, at least in India, wherein it keeps us safe in case if we damage somebody or if somebody sues us. The other option is legal insurance, which is a kind of active insurance wherein you can sue somebody else in case if something wrong went with you. And friends, lesson that I learned is always keep your mobile full charge. It is now 7 days after the incidents had passed. Friends, I have already contacted Penny. I have filled their online formular. Also, I have sent them a mail. I have written everything in German. But unfortunately, friends, till date, they did not bother to reply me. There is absolutely no reply that I received from Penny's side. I also mailed the same stuff to Indian Embassy in Berlin. To conclude, I am of the opinion that this was an exceptional case. However, neither you nor me is an exception. Such people can strike us anytime, any day. The only thing that you can do is pray to God and always play safe. Keep your receipts in your pocket all the time. It adds to your burden, but there is no way out. And don't forget, friends, I never knew I was so vulnerable and you are no exception. Friends, I request you, please share these lessons learned with your near and dear ones and help them stay protected. I wish all the best to all of us. Thank you and bye-bye.